Hello everybody and welcome to my X-Files. Today the washing has been put on a daily quick a 20 degree cycle, which is a standard special cycle with top speed of 1600 RPM. We joined the washing machine starting the spin on 300 RPM with a slightly unbalanced spin. So all I can say is, oh bro. This is probably going to be the first time I'm going to see a washing machine doing 1600 RPM. It's not going to take 20 minutes. But things different with the other washing machine, because the other washing machine went straight to 1200. Now watch this one, it's gonna go up to 800. Then it'll stay there for a bit of time and then gradually grow on speed. Then it'll grow on speed. See, washing machine's moving at 800 RPM. There's not really much stuff going on in there. That's the water basin right now. At the moment. But this will change as it starts going faster. So yeah, the 20 degree cycle is very special standard cycle washing. 20 degrees at 1600 RPM final spin. It's a 1 hour 50 cycle, but it takes less with a reduced load, because washing machine senses load and reduces down time a lot, so it usually takes a lot less than that sometimes. Here we go. We're on speed, it's going faster. Now keep watch, there's going to probably be some suds back build suds coming out the back here. And you can already see water starting to go in waves right in front here. Still don't see any water going on in there yet. Here it comes. Here comes the here comes the back build of the suds. Now with this, it does something similar to my nanny and Grumpy's old Hot Points WM52 series, where it starts to warm sud stop right, spit right here in waves. As you can see right here, there's a lot of activity going on right in front of my eyes. And now the washer sounds like a train now. Honestly, you hear that row? It sounds like a train. Blimey, look at that. Now that is manic. It's now suds and waterlock spitting right in front of my eyes. Look at that. That is bonkers. When that's how you can see it from far. Look. Just a humongous bit of water right here, and then all you can see down here. Oh my goodness! Look at all these suds and waterlock going right. Oh no! Look at all that suds and water going up the washer, and it's almost reached its maximum spin speed as well. Look at all that suds and waterlock. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Never seen it so bonkers. All the suds and waterlock is spitting and going up right into the middle here. As you can see, look at that. That is really good suds. See, water spit for all of you washer lovers to see. Now the ground's vibrating under my feet. Goodness me. Dear me. No. Sells the waterlock. Brilliant water and suds lock. Spitting 1600 RPM spin. I have to say that this washing machine is definitely better on that than my other than the BWE101683 washer. Blimey, yeah. That is great. Now it's going on a mini drain, as you can see. And as you can see, it's jumped down a lot of minutes because of that. Spin. But the result of all that suds and waterlock was also, as well as back build, it was also a slightly unbalanced spin. Slightly unbalanced spin. As you can see, most of the stuff are more drier now. And now we will hear the extremely loud door locks now, so I'll get into position to hear the loud door locks. That is extremely loud door locks. So thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you next time. Suck it!